How to change your mouse sensitivity settings on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your mouse sensitivity settings on your Windows 11. Now, go to the Start option and here on Search, you can search for mouse. Now, click on this mouse settings. Now, you can change your mouse pointer speed or sensitivity from here. Now, what I would recommend you to do is go to this additional mouse settings right here and tap on it. Now once here, go to pointer options and here you can select a pointer speed or change your sensitivity right here. Left click on this and dragging it. Here you'll get other options as well to change your mouse settings. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.